Hey guys, I'm Olivér Kovács, a Hungarian musician. In this video I'll discuss how to create the sinister mood in music. To demonstrate this, I composed an original piece of music. I'll cover every detail, so stick around. The piece is in C minor, the tempo is 90 BPM, and I use mostly the harmonic minor scale. The main melody is very simple. It sounds sinister because I frequently use relatively dissonant intervals like major sevenths and tritones. I apply the distortion effect on the piano to achieve a dirty, unsettling sound. I used the symphony orchestra and also incorporated a piano, a vocal part and synthesizers. The main instrument is the piano, which fits this horror theme very well. The first and second violins play above the main melody, while the violas support the piece under the main melody. The violins and the violas perform in tremolo in the short intro, but then switch to legato. The cellos and double basses play low voices, and they play tremolo throughout the whole piece. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe for more tips on composition and music theory. The tenor trombones and the French horns follow the viola voices and they play in flutter-tongued. This growling sound helps to convey the dark, unsettling mood. I incorporated an ethereal but slightly distorted pad and a bass synth. The distorted pad adds an airy yet unsettling texture, while the bass synth contributes to the low end, providing a darker sound. I use bass drums and metallic percussion instruments. Besides, I incorporated suspended cymbals for the transitions and the wind gong to highlight the peak of the piece. I apply the delay effect to the metallic percussion because it contributes to the dark feeling. The vocal line is interesting because I added 3 automation curves to it, one for automating the distortion effect, one for controlling the delay effect, and the panning automation. The distortion and delay curves control the mix parameter.